StarTech.com's laptop, desktop, and peripheral lock kit helps deter theft for your laptops, desktops, docking stations, projectors, and other peripheral devices supporting case lock, and is ideal for libraries, labs, retail, or classrooms. It comes with the combination anchor point, 3 semi-permanent lock heads for peripherals that don't require regular detachment, and 1 removable lock head offering 360-degree rotation for flexibility and easy connection or removal of a laptop or other portable device. Its 4-digit combination locks are resettable for a personalized combination code, and the lock kit includes lock spacers of varying thicknesses to provide a better fit for your devices. It features an extra-long braided 3-meter cut-resistant steel cable for optimal cable routing and desk organization. Our workstation lock kit is expandable and modular, allowing you to combine them with additional StarTech.com accessories like video adapters, mice and keyboards, and tablets for further customization. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our workstation lock kit is backed by a 2-year warranty and has free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our workstation lock kit through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.